Welcome to the DTI Cooking Show. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy. Our two contestants for today are Lana, the nail lady, and Lina, the other nail lady.
I am going to beat you so bad, your cheap extensions might fall out.
Nah, I don't think so. Your fun mop face.
Yes, I will. And after you will get a grand wig snatch.
Let's go see what Lana is up to.
So what exactly am I gonna cook? Wait, maybe there will be something left in my bedroom that I can use.
Lana makes her way to get something from her room. She looks around and checks every nook and cranny.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I have no ingredients. Let me call my mom. Mom, if you don't hurry, then you will not get my 5,000 monies.
I brought all your ingredients.
Time on, now I gotta cook something.
Mom and Dad must have left you here while I was in the mental hospital. I guess I can use you. Yum!
Red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, pink pepper, blue pepper, and black pepper. Wait, I don't think black pepper exists.
3 minutes left. Let's check out what Lana is doing now.
This is perfectly cooked. Nobody will know you were not a piece of steak.
Since I'm done, I might as well just...
All right. Time is up. It is time to announce the winners. The winner is Lana. Her steak reminded me of my childhood and was very delicious.
Yay, I am so happy. Haha, take that, Lina.
What do you mean? This is unfair. I deserve to win and did not cook my baby sister. Alasa, oh my god, where did my hair go? AAAH.
That is all for episode 1. Thank you for watching. If you would like episode 2, feel free to comment. Goodbye, PPC.